Think you know everything you can make with a KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer? Think again. Imagine being able to easily prepare homemade pasta, ultimate burgers with fresh ground ingredients, even homemade Rocky Road ice cream. With over 12 available attachments, the Artisan stand mixer's remarkable versatility will ignite creativity in your kitchen. Your KitchenAid stand mixer comes with all the essentials: a flat beater to thoroughly mix ingredients for cookies, cakes, and more, the dough hook that mixes and kneads dough with ease, the wire whip for infusing air. The attachment hub allows you to transform your KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer into an astonishing new appliance with a huge variety of attachments: the powerful food grinder, the pasta roller and cutter set, and the gourmet pasta press, the rotor slicer and shredder, or homemade ice cream maker. Choose the color that suits your style: onyx black, empire red, silver metallic, green apple, aqua sky, persimmon, cobalt blue, buttercup, and cranberry. Make the KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer the culinary center of your kitchen.